Hey guys, I'm here today to do an update on my mini Madness project pan. This is a project pan from the Pantastic Ladies on Facebook, and the idea is to have 10 mini items that you're trying to work through and to do a rolling project pan, so as you finish something, you put something new in. Looking here, you might notice there's only 9 items, and that's because I lost a lip gloss that I was working on that I actually was really liking, so I'm hoping to find it soon and keep working on it, but for now I'm just gonna do my update with everything else I have. So first up is this MAC Fix Plus, which as you can see is finished. I did mark a line the first and second update, but the update after that I hadn't marked a line because the lines would be too close. So I have used it since my last update and finished it up. Then another item I finished up was this Too Faced HangoveRx face primer. I did not really like this, but I used it up, so I'm glad to see it gone. I think I got this for free at Ulta once when I purchased some other things that I hadn't even known I was gonna get it for free. Anyway, so I won't be buying it. And then I also used up this Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. I don't like this one either. This one has like a silicone feeling and it just was not my favorite, so I won't be buying this either. Now, I'm also actually counting this as finished. This is my Pixi Eyeliner and it's just really hard to sharpen now and even use near my eye because it's so small and I just don't like it. So I'm gonna call it finished. Okay, so these items, I added this pumpkin mask in last time and I used it twice. You actually can see pan down here at the bottom, pan, container. So this will probably be something I can use up by next time. I tried to use it down like on my neck and the top part of my chest and my skin did not like that, but I can use it on my face fine. So I'll be able to finish this up, I believe, with no issues. Then this is a NARS multiple stick in Orgasm, and I just don't love this. Like, I just don't really like it, so I barely used it at all. I'll keep on working on it for the next update and see what happens, but I don't know, I might end up like destashing it and moving on to something else. This was something that was like a gift with purchase, so I didn't buy it, but it's just so glittery and pink. Then I have my Milk highlighter in Lit, and you can see that's how much product I have left. I actually have been using this a lot, but it barely goes down at all, so just keep trucking with that. Then I have my Tarte Lip Paint in Birthday Suit. I wasn't sure what it was for a second there. And I actually did use this, so that was exciting because I hadn't used it until this update, I think. And I will just keep on using that. And then the Stila Kitten Karma eyeshadow, Glitter and Glow, I used as well, so that was really exciting. So I'm seeing some use on all of these products. I have a container here of a ton of little mini size products, so I'm just going to look for some things to replace the 4 items I finished. Okay, so I needed to add in 4 new things, and these are the 4 things I picked. First up is 2 of the Natural Radiance bases from MAC, and one is yellow and one is pink. I haven't used these before, but I have these little mini sizes, so we'll throw them in. Then I have this skin base. I don't know anything about this, so I'll put that in as well. And then finally I have an Hourglass foundation sample. I'm not sure that this color is quite right for me, but it's such a small amount that I think I'll be able to make it work quick enough to use it up. This is in Shell. So those are the 4 new items that I'm going to put in to replace my other 4 items. Here are my 5 remaining items minus my 6th, which is my lip gloss that I can't find. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you next month. Bye.